Yep, there it goes. How's it going, everybody? It's Keaton here. Another beautiful day in Hawaii. Because it's such a beautiful day and there's not much wind today, I'm gonna try and fly my Avata 2, but this time with my new DJI FPV Controller 3. This is my first time using the controller, so I'm excited to try it out for the first time. I decided to get this because the other controller just for me wasn't as intuitive as like a game controller. I'm used to playing video games, you know, I've played video games my whole life, so this I think is more in my wheelhouse. I actually have a controller for my DJI Mini 3 drone that I have used for a while, so I know how to use their controllers, and I think that now that I have this, it'll be much easier to fly this thing. So I wanted to bring you along to come and try it out. Connecting it for the first time here. First you have to connect the controller to the goggles, and then goggles to the Avata. So I think we're connected. I don't know for sure. We'll see. We've got it connected. I'm about ready to fly. I'm kind of spooked because it's really hazy in the distance. Got big dark clouds, so I'm kind of spooked about that. But I came all this way, so it's worth to do it anyway. We're going. We're live. All right. So we're off. So right now, I'm already having a much better time flying this. So much smoother. Oh yeah, check that out. It's definitely raining over there. Wow, this thing's fun. Beautiful view of Diamond Head. So I'm over by the beach right now. One flight in, and dude, this is just wicked. The battery lasts about 20 to 23 minutes, so each battery is pretty quick. So this time we're gonna try and keep this as low to the ground as possible and just kind of whip around as much as we can. Again, this is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna be very careful to not crash into a tree. Hopefully I don't. But we're gonna try and get some low down action. I just flew you up to Diamond Head, I flew you to the beach. That was a little bit far away, so I'm gonna try and keep it just down here. I'm not gonna hit anybody, hopefully. And keep it low around these trees to see what kind of acrobatic motions or, you know, just kind of the flight that we could do with this thing. So let's get to it. This thing is absolutely wicked. I'm whipping this thing around. It goes so fast and so responsive. So much better than the controller it came with. I highly recommend getting one of these. I mean, this is literally my first time doing this, and you can just tell it's just so much more intuitive. And so far we've not crashed in anything, so I see that as a huge, huge plus for this controller. I'm really excited to keep using this and to really learn like how to do this well. I wanted to give you guys a review just to show you guys what this was like. I'm so glad that you can hang out with me and check this thing out. If you're an Avata 2 owner, I highly recommend you get one of these. It just improves your flying experience. I think overall it's a whole lot more fun to fly. It feels so much more natural. I think the majority of people have used a game controller before, so This is so intuitive, it's so natural. It feels just like you're playing a video game, and in real life. So this is a first-person video game in real life. So I highly recommend you get this. I highly recommend you pick up this controller. It's well worth the investment. And yeah, I give this a solid 9 out of 10 right now. I'm having so much fun doing this. So thank you. Oh. There it goes. Well, I hoped it wasn't gonna happen, but there we go. As I'm trying to sign off, we get a huge crash. She's fine though. Don't see any damage or anything. Oh my god. She's okay. She made it through the crash. Camera's fine. Everything's alright. So at least we know that this is a well-built and sturdy drone. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends. Honestly, this was so much fun. Let me know if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos too. I'm trying to figure out what works for you and what you're interested in watching. I'm really into this making video thing, and I'm really new to it as well, so I want to know what you want to see. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for coming out to hang out with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until next time, peace. Shoots.